I was just playing around here in Ideogram, creating some kind of retro, groovy style designs, as you can see just here, and I thought I'd share them with you so you can do whatever you want with these. Now, what I've gone ahead and done is put these all on my public profile, and what I'll do is link my public profile down in the description. Now, once you're on here, if you scroll through, I have lots of cool stuff with lots of different prompts that you can go through, adjust and change however you please. Now, you might have to scroll through all of these because I have a lot of different designs for lots of different things here on my public profile. But nonetheless, I've put these here as well, and these look really good. Now, if you stick around, I am also going to show you how you can quickly edit these as well, so you can get fresh designs for your own needs. And if you want even more prompts, then I do have a little freebie for you as well. This is my 100 Ideogram quote graphic t-shirt prompts, which I'll also link down in the description. This is completely free to use as well. There's lots of different niches in here as well, and all you have to do is simply put 0 just there. But nonetheless, let me just quickly cover these groovy/retro style designs. Now, I really liked how these turned out. I was playing around with different colour combinations as well. I really liked how this one turned out. I thought it just looked really good with the gradient on the font as well. And I really like these ones just here with the black background, especially this one as well. Peace, love, and a little bit of chaos. Now, these are really easy to edit as well, and I'll show you that in a second. Now, how did I actually come up with these designs? Well, it was by using one of my new prompt generators, which is inside IDEO Mastery. Now, what I was doing was looking to see if I could find a design that I liked and kind of try to replicate that. So I found this design just here, and then I plugged it into my GPT. So I put it here and I said, can you give me a design concept for this retro groovy style shirt design? Now, with my prompt generator, you can come up with niches, come up with lots of different puns and quotes, then get design concepts around those quotes, and then ask for a prompt with that design concept. So with this, I just wanted a design concept which I could base all future prompts on. So it gave me the design concept. It told me about the typography, the illustration, the colour scheme, the background, and also the overall mood and audience. So what I went ahead and done with all of my future prompts was use this design concept as a base to create more designs. Now, first of all, I wanted a lot more different quotes, so I asked for 10 quotes for this style, and it gave me all of these. Now, what I like to do when I'm doing this is dive deeper to make sure that the quotes are very unique. So I put more similar to this and make them unique, which was retro vibes and timeless dreams. So I had all of these just here. I then asked for more similar to this and make them unique, and that was stay trippy, little hippie. And then I had a few more ideas here. So after that, I went through and started asking for the design concepts in the style that we discussed. So again, that would have been the design concept from the image which I uploaded. Then I got this one. So this was for groovy like nobody's watching. I really liked that quote. Again, it gave me the typography style, the illustration ideas, the colour schemes, and the background along with the overall mood and audience. Now, I could go back and forth with this, asking for more illustration ideas or even change up the style, but I was trying to replicate that style which you saw. So after I've got the design concept, I can then say, now give me a prompt, and it gives me a fully formatted prompt around that design concept. Now, this is saving me so much time when actually creating designs with Ideogram. And again, if you want to check this out, this is a brand new GPT which I just released in my IDEO Mastery course, and I'll link that down in the description as well. But I did that for this one. I did another for retro vibes and timeless dreams. So I got the design concept, then I got the prompt. I did it for this, peace, love, and a little bit of chaos. Now, if we come over to here, that's this one just here, which actually turned out to be one of my favourites. But I kept going through, asking for design concepts, asking for prompts. I was changing things up a little bit as well to get all these different colour combinations. But nonetheless, I just thought these turned out really, really nice, and I wanted to share them with you. Now, to edit these is really simple. You can come onto my public profile, find the design which you like. Let's click this one. Then if we click onto the little plus icon here, it's going to add the prompt there, and then this is where you can add your own prompts. So if we scroll back up to the top just here, let's take one of these. Let's take this stay groovy, move smoothly. Now if we come back over to here, you're going to want to find every part which has part of the text. So on this one, I believe it's just that bit there. We're going to click that there. Then if we look here, there's wavy, keep it, and baby, which we need to change. So we can simply take half of the quote, so we're going to take that part, we'll plug that bit there, then we'll take the second part of the quote, and then we'll plug that just here, where it says keep it. We'll put that there, and then let's just get rid of that last baby, just like that. And now, all we have to do is click generate. Now what I'm going to do is keep Magic Prompt on. What Magic Prompt does is it enhances your prompts and it will give you variations as well. Then we're going to use Model 2A, which is their latest version, and I'm going to use Render in Turbo because it only uses half a credit. Now in fact, let me just put that on public as well, then I'm going to click Generate, and now we should have a brand new design based off that design which you just saw. Now let's just give that a second. There we go. So stay groovy, move smoothly. This one looks alright. This one looks pretty good. This one looks okay. And then this one looks even better. But nonetheless, that's just a real simple way that you can use this retro groovy style with these prompts to create new designs for yourself. Now in fact, let me just go ahead and delete that as well, just like that. Now what you can also do is go into each prompts, you can find where the colours are. So this one, the background is black, contrasting beautifully with a warm vintage colour palette of deep teal, burnt orange, warm yellow and soft coral, and sage green. So right here you could actually come in and change the colours to whatever you want as well. But nonetheless, that's just a real easy way for you to utilise all of these prompts just here to create new and unique designs just for yourself. So again, if you want to check out my public profile, I'm going to link this down in the description below. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.